Tanya, it's good to see you. How's business?
Things are going good. As you can see, we expanded our sales team and are getting ready to add an additional warehouse.
Sounds like you've been busy.
We have been. I haven't had a lot of time to review the information you sent over. Can you tell me what the cloud can do for me?
Great questions. Epicor uniquely offers a highly secure, more flexible public cloud model than competitors because of our smarter isolation strategy in the infrastructure and database.
What does that mean?
The public cloud model we use is a premium form of multi-tenancy, meaning you get a dedicated database instead of sharing with others. That gives you stronger cybersecurity control and more configuration options, while still enjoying the cost savings of scale.
What about my data?
Even in a cloud environment, you always own your data, but of course you trust us to keep it secure. We use the latest in cloud technology to protect your data and give you the high-performance experience you expect to compete in a very tight market.
That's good to hear. If I'm moving to the cloud, what does that mean for my IT department?
We found that a lot of IT departments are spending too much time maintaining ERP systems when they could be innovating for the business. By offloading that work to Epicor, you empower IT to work on more strategic and rewarding ERP projects. Moving your ERP system to the cloud doesn't mean that your IT department goes away. Instead, a cloud deployment model increases your IT resource utilization and return on investment. Now, you can put that talent to work performing value-added tasks that are better aligned with your growth strategy. With Epicor Cloud Solutions, you can more easily adopt new business technologies to stay ahead of the game.
Okay, you've got my attention. Tell me more.
There are so many other benefits with the cloud, starting with lower capital requirements to access innovative technologies. Small to medium-sized businesses like yours often choose the cloud to access world-class software without the capital constraints of on-site systems. And that's only the tip of the iceberg. Cloud solutions from Epicor are scalable and flexible, letting you make changes to your business as you grow. Think about it. You don't need complex IT infrastructure to expand your reach. Our worldwide presence, paired with country-specific functionality, makes it easy for you to add a new production facility or warehouse anywhere in the world. And localized content and features help you simplify compliance with local regulations and manage other aspects of global trade. You'll also find that it's much more cost-effective to let Epicor manage updates and system administration. We include all that as part of each cloud subscription. With the industry best practices built into Epicor Cloud Solutions, you get the customer-proven functionality you need fast. That alone makes upgrading your system simpler. Beyond that, Epicor Cloud Solutions deploy every upgrade as part of our standard cloud support services. Minor updates happen transparently and with little to no disruption. And we announce major upgrades well in advance, so you can test new functionality before the upgrade. We design upgrades to be simple. We want you to be happy with the cloud ERP services you receive, and that means maintaining business continuity. And those servers and backup systems, forget about them. You don't have to worry about their physical security or replacing them every 3 years. We take care of all that on our end. That also means you don't have as much in the way of electricity, cooling systems, backup systems, and remote access technologies.
That stuff does add up, keeping everything on premises.
I can only imagine.
How long does it take to set all this up, though? I've got to keep everyone up and running.
You typically have access to your new system within 72 hours of your decision to start. All the necessary infrastructure is already in place. We just need you. Then, once your systems are provisioned, your business needs determine how your system gets configured, which may take a few weeks to a few months.
The cloud, that also means the internet, right?
That's the basic idea. You have a lot of mobile users, don't you?
Yes, they're pretty much the bulk of my team.
And I'm guessing your sales and service staff need to access your ERP system from their mobile devices when they're out in the field or working remotely. Good news is, with the cloud they all can, and your customers and vendors expect self-service access to business data. Even on-site staff, such as shop floor operators and logistics personnel, they stay connected anywhere in your facility. They don't need to be tied to a computer. This all means that your employees, vendors, partners and customers are always connected with accurate, real-time data. Cloud ERP systems from Epicor give you the power to integrate across your entire value chain. And an added bonus. When everyone can access secure, up-to-the-minute information, they can collaborate better, make decisions more confidently, and improve efficiency.
Yeah, what does this mean for our processes, though? You've seen some of the spreadsheets and other things we use.
Taking full advantage of that connectivity may mean retiring ad hoc workflows that impede growth. This lets you think bigger. You can move beyond email and spreadsheets with a cloud strategy. You can easily leverage more powerful analytics, handheld technologies, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and much more with a cloud ERP system.
That's a lot of information. You've really given me something to think about. But why would I choose Epicor? Aren't there a lot of ERP companies going to the cloud?
First and foremost, we know your industry best. Our solutions regularly score in the highest brackets in their category among user review and analyst rankings. Many of our competitors outsource critical customer services like implementation and support. It's like when you call your internet provider and talk to someone who has no idea who you are.
I hate calling them for that exact reason.
We all do. With us, you're always working with Epicor industry experts who know you and how to help you be successful. Thousands of customers and tens of thousands of users worldwide and growing trust the core of their business to Epicor Cloud Solutions. And we're growing. As a company, we've seen over 80% growth in our cloud business. And because of our smarter isolation strategy at the infrastructure and database layer, we give you more security and control over your environment than others. Not to mention our 99.98% historical global uptime. With a lot of places, you get a single product. At Epicor, we've designed our system to be open, so there's less risk. The future of your business isn't dependent on a single technology. You get a future-proof approach as your business needs to grow.